Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about the right haircut ideas for mature women. As we get older, our hair changes. It can thinner, lose volume or change texture. But the right haircut can make a huge difference. It can make your hair look healthy, shiny and full of life no matter your age. The right haircut can frame your face beautifully and highlight your best features. It can also make your hair look thicker and more youthful. Choosing a flattering haircut is one of the easiest ways to refresh your look and feel confident. One of the best ideas for mature women is layers. Layers add volume and movement, making hair look lively instead of flat. Soft layers around your face can also brighten your appearance. For mature women, suitable natural layers work best. They keep your hair easy to manage while giving a fresh look. Bob haircuts are classic and timeless. A chin length or shoulder length bob can frame your face beautifully. Bobs works well for mature women because they make hair look thicker and healthier. You can try a straight bob for a clean, polished look or a wavy bob for a softer, modern style. If you like short hair, pixie cuts are a great choice. Pixie are stylish, easy to maintain and perfect for adding texture. A pixie cut with soft layers or choppy ends can make your hair look fuller and youthful. It's also very perfect for busy mornings. Adding face framing layers is a smart idea. These are small layers around your face that highlight your features and soften your look. Face framing layers work well for mature women because they give your hair movement and personality without being too complicated to style. Blunt cuts are also very flattering. Cutting all hair to the same length creates a thicker and full appearance. Shoulder length or bob length blunt cuts are especially elegant and modern. They give hair a polished blunt cut together. Even the best haircut needs proper styling. Use lightweight products to avoid add volume without weighting your hair down. Blow dry with a round brush to lift roots and create fullness. Choosing the right haircut, your face shape is very important. Round faces, shoulder length or long layers help illumine the face. Square faces, soft layers and waves can soften strong jawlines. Oval faces, most haircuts look great, so you can experiment with bob, pixie or layered style. So friends, keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. See you again. Allah Hafiz.